Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable eye comfort shield or night light in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. Now from here scroll down a bit, then go to display. Now here you can see eye comfort shield option, then just tap here. After that just tap here to enable it, and you can see it's enable. Now if you select adaptive from here, then night light will be automatically adjust to your screen colors based on the time of the day. And if you select custom, then you can increase or decrease your night light color temperature. Also if you tap on schedule, here you can see three options: always on, sunset to sunrise, and custom. And I select sunset to sunrise. Then give location permission from here. Then select allow all the time. Then just go back, and it's done. And that is how you can enable eye comfort shield or night light in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.